Hello, dear children. Welcome to English Classroom. Today, we are going to learn the sentences in English Grammar book. So, let us start the video. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, Ravi is eating food. The stars twinkle in the sky. Both these group of words make complete sense. Therefore, these are called sentences. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now, let us see some more examples. Raju loves to eat chocolates. In this sentence, the letter R is written in capitals and the sentence ends with a full stop. Let us take one more example. Girls are dancing. Here, letter G is also written in capitals and the sentence ends with a full stop. This shows that these are sentences. Now read the given group of words. Number 1. Rises the east sun in the. Number 2. Sing to loves Ravi. Number 3. But he did not. These group of words does not make complete sense. They do not begin with a capital letter nor do they end with full stop. So, these are not sentences. Children, you know very well that when we speak, we always use sentences. Now, let us do a small activity to understand this topic in a better way. Pick out the group of words that are sentences and place them to the right column. Anil and Ravi are close friends. These group of words make a complete sense. They begin with a capital letter and the sentence ends with a full stop. So, it is a sentence. That's why we can place this sentence in the right column. Let us see one more example. There are many mangoes on the tree. This is also a complete sentence as it starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So, we will also place this sentence to the right column. Let us see another example. Ice cream loves Rima eat too. Children, here these group of words do not make sense, so we cannot place these group of words to the right column because it is not a sentence. Now let us do one more activity. The given sentences do not make sense. Let's try to correct them. Healthy is water, drink a coconut. Second, mother cooks, my grate is a. Bright it is, sunny and today. Now let us correct these sentences. Coconut water is a healthy drink. My mother is a great cook. Children, remember to begin a sentence with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Third one, it is bright and sunny today. So, as we know that sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now, let us learn about the parts of sentence. A sentence is divided into two parts, subject and the predicate. Let us understand with the help of example. The part of a sentence that names a person or a thing we are talking about is called the subject of the sentence. For example, he is waiting for me outside. Here, whom are we talking about? We are talking about he in the sentence. Here, he is the subject of the sentence and rest are giving the information about he. The rest of the sentence that gives information about the subject is called predicate. Let us see some examples related to subject and predicate. Tina is sitting on a chair. Here we are talking about Tina, so Tina is the subject of the sentence. And what is being said about Tina? We are saying that Tina is sitting on a chair. So, it is a predicate. Let us take one more example. We are going to play cricket. Whom are we talking about in this sentence? In this sentence, children are talking about themselves. So, we is the subject and rest of the sentence is predicate. Let us see another example. The monkeys are eating bananas. They are going to the park. She is looking pretty. Here the words written in red color, the monkeys, they, she are the subjects and rest of the words are the predicates. Children, remember that the subject can be of one word or more than one word. Let us understand with the help of examples. All the students of the class were absent. Here we are talking about all the students of the class. So, here the subject is all the students of the class and predicate is were absent. Now let us revise some important points. The naming part in a sentence is called the subject. The subject indicates the person or thing that does the action. The doing part in the sentence is called predicate. The predicate describes the action that the subject does. It refers to the rest of the sentence beginning with a verb. Thus, a sentence is made up of two parts, the subject and the predicate. Children, this is the first part of the video. I hope this video will help you to understand the chapter, the sentence. We will learn kinds of sentences in the next video. Till then, Take care, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.